Hey, fecar na gluaiseachtaí sin, éasca.
Tá sé rag dógi sé séhí le bheith comá is tairn seo agus níl tro an nóméad agus sé máidín. I mhór domsa éasca. So, Taryn, we saw you out there doing loads of tricks. It looks physical. How demanding a sport is this?
It's not as demanding as you would think. It takes a bit of getting used to, but once you're out in the water, you're having fun the whole time. And then it's with that you get better and better.
I've seen it myself on TV, but usually you'd see it with speedboats. It's the first time ever I've seen a zip line used. So how then does that make things different?
Well, it's the cable system has just changed everything. We have drivers that drive you to your ability, and with that you can work slowly through it and kind of like a personal trainer, getting you up to on the board very quickly.
And sin hui Alex Stevens banished tor gníomhaíochtaí in onad, tríd an trálamh lom agus leabhar sé lom faoi chuirsaí sábhailteachta. Féin sé dom faoin na príomhpointí a chaibh leis an spóirt, rudaí cosúil leis an mó ceart le hairí ar an mhór is tú an mhuí ar nisce, agus chuna seasamh ceart ar an mhór é féin. Tá mí hon adhfuil inis gur raibh an neart cleachtú díotharm.
Well, tá Taryn agus Alex tar éis gach rud a miniú dom faoin spóirt ionach seo, níl aon leis cíl feig agam caithfí mé é a réal mé haon.
At you, oh, I feel my heart, oh, I feel real life.